So hi, today we're going to see how to create a bill of material using the TPCS ERP. So right now I'm going to go to the admin module. So the admin module is already opened, and in that I'm going to master entry, bill of material, and again bill of material. Or you can use the shortcut key as F6. So in the bill of material, we have to key in the sketch number or your style number, whatever we call. I'm going to give as test, and what is the date, and what is the description about your bill of material, and if you have any season details, construction size, range, product group, so that can be keyed in. And if you want, you can add up to 4 images in that. So once I given the header details, I'm going to the material part, so where I'll be keying in the group. So group is like we have already created all the existing group, so I'm selecting one group, and under for that group, what is the material I'm going to use. So once the material is selected, the unit of measurement will automatically be picked up from the masters. And color, if you want, we can give multiple colors. And what is the norms for that bill of material. So once it is done, so we'll be giving the supply by whether the material is being supplied by customer or it's a customer designated material. So if you have any suppliers for that material, so we can update that as well. So once it is done, I can go to the next line and I can add another material for that. So say for example, I'm giving a leather. So the color is like black, and I'm giving the square feet as 3.5. So I'm selecting the supplier as leather supplier. So once it is done, we have an option to save and log, and save and clear. So save only will only save the bill of material. Save and clear will clear the bill of material. And if you log the bill of material, so it will be restricted from further changes. And also we have option to update the checked by, approved by, and prepared by. So this user will have the permission to update and change the bill of material in the further. Okay, fine, thank you.